A good Muganda is a dead one. Who told you? Actually, people are killers. They like fighting. Actually, people are killers. They like chaos. Mostly what they know is killing. They don't understand. They only understand war. Who told you? Guys, today I want us to dive into this very controversial debate. I have seen a brother on TikTok this week trying to explain to the Acholi people why Baganda and Acholi need to unite so that we see change that we desire so much. But I saw the comments and I saw the bickering, the fights on social media basing on what people cannot even verify. Statements we are making about tribes and we cannot even verify those statements. Obote said this. Were you there? Can you prove, can you bring the recording and we listen to that? Or it was told to you by some grandparent of yours just because that grandparent also heard it from somewhere, not verified. I don't like it when I listen to people who have gone to school, listening to rumors and then spreading it like they know how it started. Guys, I want to tell you, this kind of fights between tribes that is going on is intentional, because they know once we unite, they are going to be weak. That is their weakness. Our unity is their weakness. And I want to say this is where we should start from. We should start by uniting. I want to thank this brother, this Muganda brother of mine. Almost for 1 week, the guy has been trying to explain to the Acholi people why we need to unite. The guy has been calling us brothers. But still you find some Acholi guys, also people that I believe are just young. You people, you cannot be trusted. You people. Who told you? You will always be trusted depending on how you react to that person. If myself, Jago, I'm a good person, people will always trust me basing on how I relate with people. I have related with many Baganda people, and they are very good, they are trusted. I have also found Baganda that are bad, but can I generalize all of them? That is fallacy or false generalization. Why must we generalize people? You cannot generalize all Acholi people that they are not educated, they know only war, they know only fighting, that is a false generalization. Let us stop it. That should not be our time. This is not the generation that should be basing on lies spread by those people who are fighting in the bush. Acholi people are the one who kill people in Luero, and yet they were also killing people, and they come and say those are Obote soldiers, those are soldiers of Tito Okello, making Baganda to hate the Acholi people. So it is now in the minds of this young generation that Acholi people are killers. So I want to say, you people, if we don't handle this time with a lot of logic, we are going to enter into things we cannot understand. We are going to enter into a debate that we cannot finish, because that is something of their time. Presently, the problems facing the Acholi people, the Baganda people are almost the same. We are almost the same. Actually, we are the same. Why must we be fighting here and there? Do you know they are very happy when we fight? Do you know they celebrate when we abuse ourselves? Please, guys, let's stop this. Let's stop this. Let us promote unity. Let us promote harmony. Then we shall see a new Uganda. That is the type of Uganda some of us want our children to grow in. A Uganda where Acholi, Baganda, Alu, Laon, Banyankole, we come together, sit on a round table, then we say, brother, can we solve this? If it is hospitals, can we build it in all regions? If it is a good school, can it be in all regions? That is what some of us desire. A time where you are not judged by the region you come from, but you are judged by your competence, your brain. That is what Mandela used to say. That I look for a time when South Africans are not going to be judged by the color of their skins, but by what they bring, but by the quality of their brain. That is what I also want us to look into. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.